the Vishnushnis Island. Ah, you see that way is the Vishnushnis Island. Peter, pass on the left of the Vishnushnis Island. There it is, the Vishnushnis Island.
There it is.
We're kind of eddying here. Pete's backstroking here, preparing his setup.
Look at his tongue.
There's a tongue.
Very cool.
Right here. In there. That was smooth.
Super smooth.
That was super smooth, dude.
That was sweet.
That was sweet.
Getting the rhythm.
Nice, dude. That was a sick run. Holy shit. Nice, guys. Holy. A typical scene here in the Grand Canyon. You can see some of the adventurers casually eating lunch, unaware of the terrors that lie ahead. Trails here can be treacherous on their own. Cactuses, rattlesnakes, scorpions. Cactuses that can puncture your dry suit, can render you unprepared to enter the cold water of the Colorado River. The rafters gather on the cliff edge, stare at the water cascading down, pouring over rocks and hazards. And they choose their best line to get through and to keep the people safe that they love and cherish. This is rafting. Waves. Woo. A lot of waves. Kind of punch through.
Nice ones. Tee up. Punch.
And then pull back.
Wow. Not go far right or far left.
Alright. That was one of the captains saying punch the bow of the boat right through the waves and then pull back, avoid that wall. The Supreme Leader.
It's awesome.
Big waves.
It's a fun one.
Howdy. What emotions do you feel like looking at water this powerful?
Deja vu.
Deja vu.
Let's go!
Peter, Captain, what do you have to say?
It looks big. Big waves.
It's gonna be big, huh? Just punch right through the bow of the ship
I don't know, man.
and then pull back?
Yep.
Alright.
Pull back.
Some meaty water in there. Time for lunch.
Here we go.
Moments before departing one of the most treacherous waves we've ever encountered. It's a quick chance to put on your life jacket, safety PFD, get a quick bite of tuna salad. Peter paddles so nicely.
Did that happen?
Oh, you feel you want to like let them go, but they don't want.
This is another typical scene you'll see here down in the Grand Canyon is people burning their trash.
Yeah, nothing like a good trash fire to really warm your bones.
We made a steak dinner. We have cake after. Howdy.
Sure does.
Thank you guys. Steak looks good.
Rico, we're gonna need you to get food.
This is our meal. That's ribeye. Salad, potatoes, you know. How do you feel about being chosen to clean the dishes in the Grand Canyon?
Oh, I didn't be asked. I chose to do it. So I feel good about it.
How do you feel?
I feel like you're shining a bright light in my face.
That's awesome.
We're so like innocent.
I held a needle like a gun in my hand. I wish I was who I.
Sorry guys.
Yeah, thanks.
What did you say, Teddy?
I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa. Please don't be wasting my time with that business.